Welcome, in front of me is an LG K11 and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint unlock to the device. So to get started, open up your settings app and from here let's navigate into general, and a little bit below you will see fingerprint and security, so tap on that and at the top you see fingerprints. Choose that, tap on next, and this will appear if you have already some kind of protection on your device, which as you will see right now I already do. So that's why it's appearing. So confirm it by just drawing the pattern or pin or passcode, whatever you have set, to confirm it and gain access to this section. And then all you need to do is start pressing your finger on the back sensor, which is your power button as well. So this thing right there. So just get rid of this. Now you want to get a fairly good read of your entire finger all around, as it kind of shows you also the image. So basically you want to scan it all around. This will improve your chance of unlocking the device with your fingerprint. It has sometimes some faults, so it will not recognize it. So you want to get a fairly good one. And if you have problem with it not recognizing it, you can always add another one. So you could add a fingerprint and just rescan the same finger, just to have two of the same ones, and it will also improve the readability. But once it's added, now you can lock the device and you can just tap on the sensor and it will unlock it, as you can see right now. And yeah, so that is how you would add a fingerprint to the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.